I'm going to show you how to put together this caramel apple cheesecake. Now we're going to start with just an ordinary can of apple pie filling. And I'm going to put about 3/4 of that can into the bottom of a ready-made graham cracker crust. All right, now the rest of that pie filling I'm going to throw over here into a saucepan. And I'm using just a store-bought caramel sauce that you would put on like top of ice cream. I'm going to just add that to the pie filling. And while that's melting and doing its magic, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to take 2 softened 8-ounce packages of cream cheese. And I'm just going to whip it until it's light, and then I'm going to be adding a 1/2 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring, and 2 eggs. What? The dogs are back here just talking to me. They're hungry. And we're just going to keep beating this until it's nice and smooth. Okay, you can see that didn't take but a second. Now we're going to pour our filling on top of our pie filling. Okay, we're going to put this in a preheated 325-degree oven, and we're going to bake this off for about 30 minutes or until it's set. And listen to our gumbo, it's just going to town over there. All right. So it's ready to go in the oven, and we're going to cook it for about 30 minutes or until it's set. And then we're going to finish it by topping it off with those wonderful caramel and apple mixture I've got over here. Okay, so in we go. I want to show you how to finish off this delicious pie. Isn't that beautiful? Now I'm going to take our apple pie filling that I mixed with the caramel sauce, and we're just going to top it on our pie. And we're just going to kind of push it around. All right. And then I'm just going to come around here with some pecan halves and just kind of line our pie with those. And then I'm going to take some crushed pecans and just kind of put them in the center just like that. The way that looks, you would almost think it was one of those difficult pies to make, and it's not. And let's cut us a piece of pie. Then we're just going to fold back that tin foil. How does it look? Any of these dishes will offer so much taste. And oh, the cheesecake, you can see the apples underneath the cheesecake. I feel so bad, I need comforting.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.